Hello. That was only about 15 seconds of me doing nothing. Seemed like an eternity, didn't it? Now, put it in an emergency situation and you quickly realize how every second counts when someone's life is on the line. With the ZOLL ResQSystem solution, you can quickly respond to almost any emergency, empowering you to help save a life. Quickly is key. It's the third time I've said it in as many sentences. The reason is, once people call emergency services for help, they need the right equipment and confidence to act to keep the victim alive for the 7 to 14 minutes it takes for EMS to arrive. That means having the necessary tools at your disposal to manage anything from bleeding injuries to cardiac arrest, choking, burns, or even hypothermia. Time, after all, is of the essence. The ZOLL ResQSystem is the only complete solution that offers quick aid in nearly all workplace, community, and school-based injuries and emergencies. It's a valuable combination of a ZOLL AED and a mobilized trauma kit. Both feature our unique best-in-class technology and real-time interactive instructions, and are always ready to rescue with program management support from Rescue Ready Services. The ZOLL ResQSystem's real-time emergency guidance and equipment empowers bystanders to step in to help when it matters most, in those crucial minutes before EMS arrives. It delivers what others can't: interactive solutions that guide users in successfully assessing, managing, and responding to emergencies. It's also entirely customizable to fit any size organization. Simply pair any ZOLL AED with any mobilized rescue kit and add a robust program management package from Rescue Ready Services to create a public access safety solution that can manage any number of emergencies. Stop! In the time I've been talking, countless lives could have been saved with access to the vital equipment and real-time instruction a ResQSystem provides to help rescuers manage an emergency. So, to recap, the ResQSystem saves time. It allows rescuers to quickly act with confidence in those crucial moments before EMS arrives. It's comprehensive, equipped with all of the medical tools needed to help a bystander address a multitude of emergency situations. It's interactive, with real-time, step-by-step instructions and feedback that helps anyone use the equipment to assist someone in need. It's Rescue Ready. ZOLL's unique Rescue Ready Services program management platform ensures your equipment is compliant, stocked with vital supplies, and ready to rescue when you need them most. No matter what the emergency, the ResQSystem can help. It's a truly integrated suite of emergency products designed for unexpected heroes, anywhere and anytime an emergency happens. There's simply no better way to be prepared than with the ZOLL ResQSystem.